Okay, so in this video, we're deciding how many more yards we need, and we're designing a 5-kilometer course. So we're going to add up the yards that we have from the table, and we're going to get 5,368. Then we need this information that 1 kilometer equals 1,093.61 yards. And then we're going to put the kilometers under the kilometers that we need for this particular course. Then we cross multiply and divide. So we're going to say 5 times 1,093 and 61 hundredths, and we get 5468.05. So the additional yards we need would be the difference between the amount that we need and the amount that we already have. And that's our answer, which it's C, and it's just 100. The decimal point and the extra zeros don't really matter.